This is a special year for Armagh. I am standing outside the Armagh Robinson Library, which is celebrating a landmark birthday. It was established and paid for 250 years ago by Archbishop Richard Robinson, and it is now Northern Ireland's oldest library. The keeper of the library, the Dean of the Cathedral, lives on the ground floor with a separate entrance. The bays on either side were added in 1845, so before the extension, visitors had to access the library through the keeper's residence. One of my favourite features is an inscription in Greek below the pediment, which translates as the healing place of the soul. If you go inside, you will understand exactly why this is. It is such a serene and tranquil setting enjoyed by so many. Let's step into the 18th century and find out more. It is a very important and significant building which contributes to the history of this city and this island. In addition, it is a very welcoming library for everyone. Family groups including toddlers, schools, people with visible and invisible disabilities, locals, visitors from these shores and beyond. The long room is situated on the first floor of the library. It is an accredited museum. The walls are lined with rare and beautiful books from floor to ceiling. They are arranged by size, not by author, with the largest books at the bottom and the smallest on the top shelves. Subjects are wide-ranging, including medicine, science, politics, theology, astronomy, sport and travel. There are medieval manuscripts, ancient coins, maps and much more. The collections are precious, so we need to put on special gloves to handle them. I am now going to take a look at the 1770 census of Armagh. One of the most popular exhibits is a first edition of Dean Jonathan Swift's famous book, Gulliver's Travels, published by Benjamin Mott. Interestingly, the only real country mentioned in the book is Japan, so the library has received a lot of Japanese visitors seeking to find out more.